If you're working with learners, children or adults who get distracted quite easily by visual clutter, sometimes, well, look, you can just lose things because the background's much too much. So have a look at this. It's from Ikea. It's £12 and it is in the office bit if you're walking around Ikea. It's called an ovning. But look, it pops up, you can put things into it, you can actually got little pockets as well, so you could put symbols and things like that of maybe the next activity. There's loads of ways you can use these. They are really cheap. With a bit of imagination, if you need to darken it down, then look, you can just do this. Just put a little dark base in there, a little dark background, and it really brightens things up. So a little tiny portable workstation from Ikea. It's called Ovning and it's £12.